Tini Japanese nitui Navis chanitui bubagrati bhaiya. It was really good opportunity the chung thanga Bangalore office thang malaika and we got to know the differences. Tini fee structures Haiman Kha, tini opportunity was Haiman Kha, tini cost was Haiman Kha, which we can never make in next 20 years in India. The salary nitui chung zori romna thanga geta. A nurse in India cannot make a salary more than 50,000 in India.
Private nurse then.
Private nurses. Government nurses to senior are probably 80, 90s. But a nurse in India, and that too after 15, 20 years, okay, not immediately. Now in this, Borok wants to go Kurikis and Boroni Ribahaka Kalai Tangai. Also, I'm Bishingo Nini podcast Tipono, Kaham, Haikanari. जे Navis charity just fee structure moment 3.5 lakh rupees. Fee structure in the sense the training cost, the visa cost and the ticket cost and 6 months food and accommodation in Bangalore. Tabuk 3.5 lakhs ne bishing 50,000 to ADC government run negotiate.
Okay, oh.
As a sponsor. Gal busuk to hani yago 3 lakhs. Oh 3 lakh ne bishing bo you don't need to arrange another 3 lakhs. You just need to arrange 1 lakh.
Oh.
Bahike Nung starting or registration at 25,000 tonight. 25,000 probably after 45 days you have to give another 50,000 and after and while Thana Nisakang take 25,000 marine. Avani Doran Jakasara Nangmani Abedisi government in Tamuka Ozaga Tamatamo cost included. This 1 lakh that you are paying today will give you a facility of 6 months food and accommodation in Bangalore.
Okay.
Plus your Japanese language training. 6 months no class book line bro. Japanese language book which will actually cost you 1+ lakhs if you go to learn in private Japanese language. Wambu without opportunity. Now here you have an opportunity. It is guaranteed opportunity. Tamni baga hinke nang born course thanan segang se no interview nagaro. Nang capable the capable here. Nang sirng na mano maya. Nang maya nga borok reject. They'll not even take you for the training. Nang mana jan nga si borok lagi thane. Ozaga wo 3.5 lakhs ni jaga 50,000 government reka. You need to arrange 1 lakh. Oh 1 lakh ni bishing on ni 6 months tongi chana ni to kalaya. Right? 6 months training kalaya ni bo kalaya. Sung khorjo nanya thangai it is in fact more higher. Tini nang khorjo bara tong hanke. Nini monthly khorjo busa thang 6,000. Chana nisimi nok bara tong habusuk 10,000. Mane Bangalore angkata 8,000 to 10,000. So minimum expenses is like 15,000. 15,000 is equal to 1.5 lakhs in 10 months. 10 months is how amount takes a com get this a com thang. To bongke 6 months of chai thang to ni 1 lakh ni bishing to maya. Chana ni bo man kha training woman kha Japanese language sirngani 1-way ticket to Japan also you are getting there. And you are getting the visa cost. The work authorization visa money manu and you have to attend one exam before you get the visa. You have multiple attempts. Once you failing you can pay another 2,000-3,000 bucks for next attempt and you can attempt it. Another remaining 22 lakhs will be deducted from your salary once you reach Japan, once you get the job.
Okay, comfortably.
Among Navis rock born yang sponsor clarity. And borok 2 lakhs phiro kanjana baga no job re nai. And that 2 lakhs they will deduct.
Placement confirm hai.
Confirm. It is 101% confirmed. Tabu was a gautam mungkin ini 2 lakhs ni jebor no rimani they will deduct it from your salary in next 6 to 7 months. Kisa ke tanet lang nai. And your salary is 1,20,000 to 1,50,000 per month.
Initially.
Depending on the hospitals or depending on the location that you work. Tini the 1,40,000 panang 1,20,000 panang nung 2 lakhs do the pay klanja you can finish that 2 lakhs in 10 months. 20,000 you can finish in 10 months, right? Tabo 10 months on in 20,000 you still have 1 lakh in hand. And no 1 lakh. That 1 lakh is recovered within 1 month. Right? Yeah, 1 lakh is recovered within a month and then I to suzagi thanai no. And nung jodi ni khorjono sungrama thangata. Nung arabo same like Bangalore is a lifestyle sama high. Nung arabo luxury tong namu sung it's all up to you. But if you lived a minimal standard life, middle class life, you can save up to 70,000, 60,000,
Japan.
70,000 per month. Indian rupees. Nung Japan thang nung saijong tonga ka to obviously it will cost you. Nung Japan thang to it is unjan place. No, why don't you guys mane khorni khorto milo kaise naga tong dita bara 5,000 10,000 50,000 so phana di jon 10,000 pe khlai sibun 5,000 5,000 tong le. What is the harm? Nung chalangan thani bo nor ni thani si nung costly chana mo jong kai nung tini Mac dio mang chana mo jong unga kai nung bai chole ne ba. Mac dini burger to will cost you 200 rupees one burger. Nge nung normal mai song cha khakle 30 taka ni ma pung tha.
এমনি কি সিলেকশন দা মাংকা সিনেমা
So far tabuk jorate khorok nei tibra already 2 months ngai maikha.
ট্রেনিং চলি তং
Training choli thong. Tabuk khana tai khorok nei thangi thong.
মানে খানাও পিলে একদম হ্যাপি গাতা মালে আং মানে সাসি দানি কক সংজেপুর আং যেপুর মিজোরাম পরি তংপুর আবার সং বং নিউজ পেপার গনো মানে মিজোরাম গভর্নমেন্ট রহরু সাউথ কোরিয়া রগ বং বরনো গাফর গো বানসু গটা সিন হরো দানো কোন দিন ইকো অংখা মানে লেয়ার ফান্তা
Mizoram rogo aro settle down ang stong itong
Not only Mizoram, Manipur is
স্পন্সর খাইও
Manipur, Mizoram, you will see in every countries. No, Thanan baga dagi sir hone, tas thangni, mano go you go. And je thane rok bo dedicated. Borok ara thangi bo ara siming tongya, they come back. They send money. Ni family ngan horo. Government of borok tax pay khlai tong India o bon state of. Mana borok dedicated. Sini ke probably different mano ang si income khlai tong tan bon rok naisa. That is always there. And how yeah, it is a good opportunity for our people, but our people doesn't know how to grab it.
tangi
Drawback ang nije no mane onek question khanai I was like surprised. Kitchen borok asuk the drawback atang tini. Khorok phaina ane ama mana khlayo. Tai khorok phaina ane babu mana khlayo. Tai khorok phaina nana mana khlayo.
মানে আগে যেমন চাকরি মা রহ ইয়াং হাইতে
Do
nen tabusuk jara sok pe mang kai girlfriend
ang
man
sauna thongari ama hai ako. Girlfriend boyfriend ama alada sigo.
na
So
khana ga case pai
hayo nana mana khlaipu babu mana khlaipu ama mana khlayo. Amon pore ta kese phayo ni tamo kiriu.
সামনো
So ang wasman thangde ko kiriu.
ওকে
Ang jodi ara thang kon nana khai saman nai nai. Valid question, not invalid though.
ও তো ম্যাচিউর আসলে তো ম্যাচিউর ন আলাসে
They're all matured. They're all educated. They're all मतलब nurse pass clay फाइजा करो. And sitting idle today. तक ऐसे सब फाइने उपान थाने रंग करिया सब बोलने व्यवस्था क्लाइने हैं. लाख कैसे बोलने व्यवस्था क्लाइने. Okay, it can be a big deal. तिनी नंगमु चुंगु हंगांग के कहीं से भी इंतजाम हो. वाक फाली पर नंग तो नाके नंग वाक रिजक तंग में ना मैच्योर नहीं आखों बुंथानी सोलक नहीं मरका सोलक ना दी ताऊ आसक नॉक बाइक पहना कोई बंदन रंगमान तो नंगों बाके बंदन रंगमान ये नहीं मालिया था है तो सारे अब उन बाके नंग नहीं मना बन्नी ना opportunity बाके नंग नहीं मालिया तब वो ADC government बाबू बाकरा gave a very good option बाबू तो 100% रिमी आके उन्हें sponsor because it is not one and it is not feasible
রোনাম কো গিয়া
Tini chung yasiri tini bono yak mono ko map play. Nke tini boto tu phaika. Ozang na bisingo bo saire ka 50,000 ang sponsor kleine. Manna mu chung na ra 50,000 tama pura 3 lakhs hi sponsor kleine. Khorok na sung 3 lakhs ri sponsor kleire kangke. Boba grabin personally darna ina government iti bonus ri kangke chini ro te bagi development bagi kleine.